friends, now I'll be taking you to the most Khasi food stall located at Shillong, Meghalaya. And yeah, they just got an award, that too from the most prominent celebrity, chef celebrity, Sanjeev Kapoor. And yes, we'll explore to that restaurant. And yeah, you know, this is my first time doing my solo vlog. So let's hope for the best, and I hope you like it. Do share and subscribe and catch it. So here's the Jado and the Dojam. Yeah, so this is the second round that we are asking for. Jado, Doshan, Dojam, Tungtap, and yeah, so it's very tasty. Jado is made of what is this?
Blood.
Yeah, pig blood. I don't think so. It's a mixture of ginger and then ginger, then garlic. It's a mix up of that everything, and then if you are a pig lover, then good for you. If not, then you can opt for plain rice. And yeah, they do have a lot of items. Made up of dry fish and onion, they grind together. And yeah, so this is a chicken ball. So guys, now I will be showing you to the award that they are receiving as the best family restaurant, awarded by the Merit Award Market Research Private Limited, and they got as the best family restaurant. And yeah, the Khasi stall name is Aiti Belti Khasi food stalls located at the very beautiful hub of Shillong, Buddhism South. So it's quite affordable. Also, we are paying only for So this is the award that they are getting as the best family restaurant in Shillong. So yeah, in this entire northeast actually. So if you are coming to visit in the city of Shillong, you come and visit here in the Aiti Belti Khasi Cluster. It is there, awarded, and they handed by Sanjeev Kapoor, who is a celebrity chef. You can check it. He is the most humble and helpful in this restaurant.
Bye.
5
So it's very easy, it's very accessible place where you can hop in. Over there you can see Biju Cinema Hall, and then here the Bank of India, opposite the Bank of India. If you couldn't see the Bank of India, then Chowdhury Pharmacy, and just a very famous Archie's shop, which is very new. And yeah, so here's the Aiti Belti restaurant where you can see. And yeah, do come and check out, guys. Bye bye.